What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a 2022 Nissan Altima started if the key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with the key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Altima started. Like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2022 Nissan Altima in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key ID incorrect. And then as you can see there, it's saying place the key near the start switch. So that's what we're going to do. Come up here and set your key on there. And then you'll hear it beep and it starts to glow. And then once it does, you can start it as normal. Press the brake in. And that's it. Pretty simple. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as possible. If you have any questions, let me know. If you could please take a second to like and subscribe. It helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.